Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I know it's been a while that I haven't done a tutorial for you guys. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial of So if you are very interested in this video, please keep on watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like makeup under $10. And yes, so let's get this tutorial started. The primers that I love that are under $10 is the Maybelline Baby Skin right here. Here, the Wet n Wild matte. I like to put them in the back of my hand, and I'll just mix both of these together, and then I'll just add them to my face. I have 3 foundations that I love. I have this one right here, the Milani one right here, and then they have this one here too that I love, and it's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. Another of my favorite, which is the Maybelline right here, the Matte and Poreless. I love these foundations. Like, these are the foundations I wear like every day. So yes, and all of these are under $10, so a good deal. But today I am going to be using the Milani, this one right here, and I'm just gonna apply it. Product that I'm gonna be using for my brows is this one right here, and this one is the NYX Tame and Frame, and it's just like it's a pomade, and it's in the color black. I'm gonna use this one right here, the LA Pro concealer, and this is in the color creamy beige. So I'm just gonna use this one just to clean underneath my brows. I am going to be coming in with this Rimmel matte press powder, and this is just a translucent. Try to set my lids just a little. I'm going to do my eyeshadows, and I have these right here that I love. These right here are from Wet n Wild. This one is the color Not a Basic Peach, and this one is the Comfort Zone. So I'm going to be using both of these palettes. So I am going to come in with the Comfort Zone palette, and I'm going to grab this transition right here. So I'm just going to place that in on my crease really quick. Next, I am going to be coming in with this one right here, and it's Not a Basic Peach, and I am going to grab this color right here, and I'm going to put that in on my crease. This one right here, and this purpley color right here, and this one is the Comfort Zone palette. Add some color in our outer V as well, that same color, like this. It might probably look a little crazy, but don't worry, once we are finished, we add our lashes and everything, it'll be good. This one right here, this brown color, and this one's from the Not a Basic Peach, and I'm going to place it in my outer V. Gonna come in with this brush right here, and I'm gonna use that just to blend that color. So we should look something like this. And now the color that we're going to be adding in our lid of this one right here, a beautiful color, and it's from Not a Basic Peach. So I ended up getting these products right here. There's the NYX glitter glue, and it's super tiny, and this right here. It's a brush right here. It's just a super flat brush, and I'm gonna grab some of the glue, and I'm just gonna place it right here. Like I said, we're adding little by little, section by section. And then I'm gonna grab some of the glitter. I'm just gonna place it on the lid where I applied my glue. Now we're gonna go to the other eye and repeat the same step. I'm gonna come back with the brush that we applied our dark color, and I'm just gonna blend this right here. I'm gonna apply this one to my brow bone. It's the color, the palette is called Not a Basic Peach. So next I'm going to be using this right here. And this is actually the L'Oreal Paris Brow and Styling Plumper, which is to set your brows. And I'm going to do that very quick. And the mascara I'm going to be using is this one right here. And these are the Ardell lashes in the number 252. The glue I'm going to be using is the Duo Glue. It's my favorite concealer of all time. And it's the Maybelline in the number 20, which is Sand. So I'm just gonna apply my lashes very quick. And then the other eye. And one thing I like about this concealer is that I can, like right now that I'm placing my lashes, it's not gonna dry up. Like so. Now I'm just gonna blend this concealer. So this one is the one I'm gonna be using, the contour stick, and it's in the color Call Me Maple. Do this one right here, and it's the L'Oreal one, and it's the Hydra, the Perfecting Loose Powder. To be using this one right here, and it's in the shade 05. This is the one that I am going to be using. So I'm just gonna go ahead and bronze up my face. My favorite blushes are the Wet n Wild one, and it's these right here. This one is the color Pearlescent Pink, and then there's this one right here, which is the Rose Champagne, and I think I'm going to be mixing these together. So I really don't have an eyeliner that is affordable that I love, so I'm just gonna try to make this work. So I'm gonna be grabbing this one right here. It's this dark chocolatey color. And we're gonna try to tight line up here very quick. I'm just gonna use the same mascara, and I'm gonna apply some to my lower lashes, and yeah. But the highlight right now that I'm gonna be using is this one right here from ColourPop, and it's the Lunch Money. my inner corner. Setting spray that I love is the Milani one. Product I'm going to be showing you, it's from Wet n Wild, and it's the lip color. The lip color, I love this formula, and it's this one right here, and this one is in the color Video Viking. And we are back, and this is the finished look of what I had for you guys. I hope you guys loved it and enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below what is your favorite products that are under $10. So yes, so I hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.